Morning, friends. I am Mr. Anandes, Assistant Professor, SM College for Arts, Science and Commerce, Chandravadi, Chitradurga. Today, I would like to discussion about Semester 4th, Unit 1st, Social Thought. Introduction. Man is not like another animals. He is an animal of extraordinary abilities and capacities. He is the final product of organic evolution and has such as greater capacities to adjust himself to the environment. Man's life is many sides, hence he claims himself to be a social animal, a political animal, a cultural being, and so on so. He is called thinking animal or a reasoning animal. Man, with the help of his more valued brain and a greater intelligence, has been thinking about a number of things. Man does not live in isolation. He is social in nature and always prefers to live in the company of other men. Why man depends the other? Men are society. This question, for which we have different and even contradictory explanations. The thought that they have entertained in this regard, no matter how national and unscientific it is, could be referred to as social thought. Social thought essentially refers to the thought concerning the social life and activities of man. Definitions of social thought. According to Bogadas, social thought is thinking about a social problem by one or a few persons here and there in humanity or at the present. The second one, Rollin Chambliss. Social thought is concerned with human in their relations with their fellows. H. E. Johnson. Social thought is the totality of man's thought about his relationship and obligation to his fellow man. The social thought has its own characteristics or features. First one, social thought is a societal thought. It is concerned with the ways in which people live together and face collectively their problems and challenges. These thoughts may themselves have solution to these problems. And the second one, social thought is not the sum total of the thoughts all the members of society. Social thought has evolved. Only a handful of peoples, scholars, rationalists, scientists, philosophers can develop the deep into the social matters and events. According to Bogardas, however, the developing and perfecting of new ideologies are usually the work of scholars, somewhat removed from the turmoil of the hour. Social thought thus is the product of social crisis and of scholarly analysis and synthesis. Third one, social thought need not necessarily be a scientific always. The human life touches upon various aspects, experiences, opinions, explanations, valuations. All these cannot be to scientific test to assess their validity and dependability. And next one, the social thought is not same everywhere. Yes, social thought different in place to place, environment and conditions. A through going knowledge of the culture and the social, economical, political and religious standards of a people is a minimum essential for social thought. And fifth one, every human community has given its own contribution to the development of social thought. The Indian culture, Chinese, Egyptian, Babylonia, Evorin, East and Ancient Greek, Rome, Western society have given commendable contribution to the realm of social thought. And sixth one, social thought is continuous in its development. The history of social thought rises out of the beginnings of human struggle on earth and with jogged edges extends along with the full sweep of the changing historical horizons. And seventh one, social crises have always provided motivation for the general social thought. When social changes come so rapidly due to inventions, wars, or basic distributions, the thinking about the social life and problems is highly stimulated, and new ideas or systems of ideas that ideologies are organized. But eighth one, social thought is a very slow process. It is not a rapid process. Social thought's continuous is very slow. We did not find fast developments taking place in this field as in the realm of physical sciences. And the ninth one, major portion of social thought is not found. Exactly. Social thought usually find its initial expressions and written sources, but in the unwritten forms such as folkways, folk songs, mice, and so on so. And next one, social thought is abstract. Social thought is not a reasonable concept. According to Bogardas, all thinking is abstract and social thought is no expression to this general rule. And next one, social thought has not always been utilitarian and beneficial to mankind. Social thought abused by some people to subserve their own ends. The ideologies of Gandhism, socialism, secularism, etc. are abused by different people in Indian today or different purpose. Example, Karl Marx thoughts, Basveshwara thoughts, and August Comte thoughts, so and so. And thank you very much.